Up lower extremities are extensors, except for few exceptions. Okay? And the muscles in front of your thigh extend the leg. And the most important muscle here, which is the muscle that you have to develop, no? In order to support, stabilize a knee joint, is what is this muscle here? Quadriceps femoris. Ano ang common action nila? Extend the leg. Nerve supply. Femoral. Of course, there is exception to the rule. And what is this? Sartorius. And then, of course, you have iliopsoas, and then you have pectineus here. And then you have the adductor muscles. What is this? Adductor longus. Underneath you have adductor brevis. Okay, and then, of course, you have the brevis. What is this? Adductor magnus. And the most medial, the cilis. What's the nerve supply? Obturator. And they both come from L2, L3, L4. Okay. L2, L3, L4. Doon ang galing pareho ang femoral at saka obturator nerve. Kaya hindi ko malaman kung paano yung sasagutin yung exams na yun. Kung talagang alamin nyo, no? Okay. So here, in front of your leg, so if you have down here, the leg, you do like that, that's flexion of the leg. And then you do like that, that's extension. When you stand like that, or you kick, that is extension of the leg. You increase the angle between the thigh and the leg bones. Now when you flex the leg, this is unstable. There will be some medial and lateral rotation allowed. When you extend the leg, that's more stable. If you hyperextend it like that, that is a lock knee. No movement will be allowed. Okay? Now here, muscles in front of your leg will dorsiflex the foot and extend the toes. Muscles on the medial side will invert the foot, IN. Muscles on the lateral side will invert the foot. Okay? So what will be the muscles here? The first muscle here is named according to the location. This is coming from the upper lateral aspect, the shaft of your tibia. Pero karamihan, nasa harapan siya ng tibia. So, ano pangalan niya? Tibialis anterior. And then you have a muscle here. And this muscle goes here to the picto. So, kung sa thumb, ang pangalan ay pollicis. Kapag sa picto, ang pangalan ay hallucis. So the orange muscle there is at the back. Will you please see this? What did I say? What is this green muscle? What? Tibialis anterior. Okay, tibialis anterior. What's the common action of the front muscles? Extends the toes and dorsiflex the foot. Okay? Ano yung orange na? Extensor hallucis longus. Okay, pagtang pollicis. Pero sa dito, hallucis. And then you have a muscle here. And this muscle is, okay, this muscle is going to the four lesser toes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ano unang word dito? Extensor. And then this one will go to your second, third, fourth, fifth. What is that? Extensor, digitorum, longus. Ano common action again? Dorsiflexion and extensor toes. Okay. Ano pangalan ulit ng green na yan? Tibialis anterior. Ano common action ng lahat ng mga? Dorsiflexion. But since this one is seen on the medial side, it also invert the foot. Okay, ano naman yung orange ulit? There, anong orange? Pagtanong ka sa kanya kung ano yung orange. Ano yung orange ulit? Anong pangalan ng orange? Extensor what? Hallucis what? Longus. Will this look? At masyadong mabigat ito, hindi mo kayo. So, what is the action here? Common action? the dorsiflexion. But this one also extends the big toe. And this is on the medial side, but it can also what? Invert. Okay? And if you have here your extensor, the big one, extensor digitorum locus, ano common action ulit? Dorsiflexion. And you have to be aware, you have to be aware that when you walk, one foot is dorsiflex and the other foot is plantarflex. And so you have alternate dorsiflexion and plantarflexion. Right? And hindi naman pwede puro dorsiflex o puro plantarflex. So you have to have alternate, no? And so dorsiflexion, yung B. But then this will have additional action, and that is itataas na ganun ang lesser dose. Ano yun? Extends the lesser dose. And the one on the medial side will also invert. The one on the lateral side will also what? Invert. Okay. And what seems to be the fifth tendon of extensor digitorum locus is the dark blue one. Ang pangalan niya? Peroneus tertius. Okay. Ano common action yung lahat? Ulit. Dorsiflexion. But this has an additional action, and that is what? Eversion. Okay? That will be eversion. And then you have the muscle here on the lateral side. The other name of fibula is peroneus. So you pull this one out here, coming from the upper lateral aspect of your fibula. You have now here peroneus locus. Go into the first metatarsal here, the sole. So when this one moves from here going there, ano gagawin nyo? From here going there, gaganyan. Ano yan? Plantarflex, pero gaganyan din. Eversion. What muscle is this? Peroneus locus. Underneath that one, you have a muscle. There. And this muscle goes to the fifth metatarsal. And it has the same action as peroneus locus. And what is that? Ano flex? Plantarflexion and eversion. So if I ask you, you say yes or no, the following muscle everts the foot. Sasabihin mo muna yung pangalan ng muscle at saka yung yes or no, right? The following muscle everts the foot. The blue one, what is that muscle? Peroneus tertius. Okay. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. How about the green one? What is the green? Peroneus locus. Does it invert? Yes. Okay. How about the red? What is the red? Peroneus brevis. Does it invert? Yes. And the following muscles, okay, they plantarflex. Okay. The green one, what is that again? Peroneus locus. Does it plantarflex? Yes. How about the red one? Peroneus brevis. Plantarflex? Yes. How about the dark blue one? Peroneus tertius. Does it the same plantarflex? Ay, hindi mo. Ano yun? Dorsiflex. Just like the anterior leg muscle. And so, how will you now supply these muscles here? Okay, so you have now here your buttocks, and then you have here your pectoral fossa, and then you have here the sole, right? And the largest nerve that you have in the body is your sciatic nerve, right? And sciatic nerve comes from M4, M5, S1, S2, S3. At the low 1/3 of the thigh, this one divides into two, tibial and common peroneal. And so if you have now here your front of the leg, you follow the common peroneal. So this is the front. Okay, so you have the front of the leg here. Okay, you have now here your, this is the big toe. So this is the front, and you have here the tibia, and you have now, this is medial malleolus here, and then you have your fibula in the city, the neck, and this is the lateral malleolus here. So this is head, this is what? Neck of the fibula. And so you have common peroneal there. Common peroneal in the neck, okay? And this is now divided into front and lateral. This is deep peroneal, supplying the front muscles. And then you have your superficial peroneal, supplying the lateral muscles. Okay, so ano ang common action ng muscles na sinusuplayan ng deep peroneal? Ano common action? Dorsiflex. So when this one is injured, you can dorsiflex the foot. You have foot cramp. So when you walk, you seem to be cramping your foot, right? That is what? Deep peroneal. Eh, itong lateral part, ano nagsusupply? Ano nagsusupply? What's that? Superficial, what? Peroneal. Okay? Superficial peroneal. And then you have to know also that this will be accompanied by blood vessels, right? So, anong blood vessel ba yung nandito sa itaas? Okay, itong harapan. Okay, and then you have here, anong artery nandito sa midpoint ng inguinal ligament? Ano yan? Femoral, right? Okay, and then you have here your femur. And then you have here a muscle, the very big muscle here in the medial side. Ano yung muscle na ito? Adductor magnus. And there is an opening there. Adductor meatus. The femoral artery will pass there. At pagdating na dito sa adductor meatus, nandito na kayo sa likod. Okay? It becomes now your what? Trapezial artery here. What is this? Pagdating dito, trapezial artery. Yung trapezial artery, pag tinanggal yung tugas ng tibius, okay, superficial muscles, then you have your trapezius, and then you'll be having now here your trapezial artery divided into posterior tibial and anterior tibial. Anterior tibial is here, accompanied by deep peroneal. Posterior tibial is there at the back. Okay? So what is this? Anterior tibial artery coming from where? From what's that? Trapezial. And this will be accompanied by vena comitantes, 2 or more veins. So vena comitantes of anterior tibia, vena comitantes of posterior tibia, they join to form one trapezial vein. Trapezial vein, pagdating dito, naging femoral vein. Ganon. Okay? So your landmark is this one. So these are the blood vessels that you see there. Okay, will you please stand up and go to your cadavers and start, because today is your last